Today, we're diving into the story of the gac fruit, the mysterious spiky orange fruit from Southeast Asia. Often called the fruit from heaven, it's one of the world's most powerful natural sources of antioxidants and carotenoids. Let's uncover how this rare fruit became a symbol of health, longevity, and tradition. The gac fruit, scientifically known as Momordica cochinchinensis, is a tropical fruit native to Vietnam, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and southern China. It belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, the same family as melons, pumpkins, and cucumbers, but unlike its relatives, gac looks like something from another planet. The fruit is round to oval, about 10 to 15 centimeters in diameter, covered in bright orange-red spines that give it a striking, almost dragon-like appearance. Inside, you'll find two distinct parts, a soft yellow-orange pulp and a deep red oily aril that surrounds each seed. This red aril is where the magic happens. It's one of the richest natural sources of lycopene and beta-carotene ever discovered. In fact, gac contains up to 70 times more lycopene than tomatoes and 10 times more beta-carotene than carrots. Because of this, it's often nicknamed the fruit that sees for you, since its nutrients support eye health, skin protection, and immune function. The fruit grows on vining plants that climb along fences and trellises, producing fruit only once or twice a year, typically during December to February, which is why it's often called the seasonal miracle fruit. In Vietnamese culture, gac is deeply symbolic. It's a traditional ingredient in xôi gac, a sticky rice dish served at weddings and Lunar New Year celebrations. The bright red color represents luck, happiness, and prosperity, making it a culinary and cultural centerpiece during festive occasions. Gac's use goes beyond symbolism. In traditional medicine, it's believed to boost vitality, detoxify the liver, and improve vision. Modern studies support these beliefs, confirming that gac is loaded with lycopene, beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and essential fatty acids, all of which play major roles in preventing oxidative stress and chronic disease. Nutritionally, 100 grams of gac aril provides more vitamin A than any known fruit, plus powerful anti-aging properties thanks to its carotenoid oils. Its rich pigment is fat-soluble, meaning it's most beneficial when consumed with healthy oils, a natural synergy that traditional Asian cuisines have embraced for centuries. Beyond Asia, gac has recently become a superfruit sensation in Western health industries. It's now used in dietary supplements, energy drinks, cosmetics, and natural dyes, valued for both its color and its antioxidant power. Botanically, the plant is dioecious, meaning it has separate male and female plants. Both must grow nearby for pollination to occur. This makes cultivation a bit tricky, which is why gac remains rare and expensive even in its native regions. Today, agricultural researchers are exploring sustainable ways to expand gac cultivation in tropical regions across the world, aiming to make this hidden superfruit more accessible globally. From ancient ceremonies in Vietnam to modern labs and health markets, the gac fruit stands as proof that nature's brightest colors often hold its greatest secrets. That was the story of the gac fruit, rare, radiant, and ridiculously powerful. A fruit that bridges ancient tradition and modern nutrition. Thanks for watching Turksplainer. Stay bright, stay bold, and stay naturally super.